This is Madison and she's going to help me talk about safe temperature for your baby. It's important to make sure your baby is a comfortable temperature when they go to sleep, not too hot or too cold. If babies get too hot, this can increase the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, sometimes known as cot death. A room temperature of 16 to 20 degrees C with a well-fitting baby sleep bag or light bedding is comfortable and safe for sleeping babies. When using a sleeping bag, follow the TOG guidelines and use the lowest TOG recommended for the room temperature. Depending on the room temperature and the TOG, you can adjust baby's clothing as necessary. Please remember that babies should not wear a hat or have anything covering their head while indoors, as this can lead to them overheating. It can be hard to judge room temperature, so we would advise you to use a thermometer in the rooms where your baby sleeps. Room temperature is only a guide, so it's important to check your baby to make sure they're not too hot. Feel your baby's tummy or the back of their neck, not their hands or feet, which will usually be cooler. If your baby's skin is hot or sweaty, remove one or more layers of bedclothes or bedding. If your baby is unwell, it can be tempting to wrap them up, but actually they need fewer layers so they can lower their body temperature. For more information about sleeping your baby safely, visit our website.